Apple just wrapped up their event going over the new iPhone and much more. And in this video, we're going to cover everything that happened in the event, talk about the stock, which is down today, and where I think Apple is going to go within the next couple of weeks. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Peter DiCarlo. I've been a full-time trader and investor for the past 8 years, and I run a trading community with over 12,000 members. If you want access to all of our trading resources completely for free, the link to our Discord community will be in the description. So Apple held its event today. The biggest things to talk about was the Apple iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus, the new Apple Watch Ultra, as well as the new chip, and a couple of other things as it comes to everyday use. iPhone 15 was what was announced, starting from $999, the iPhone 15 Pro Max from $1,199. So they announced that the Pro will start as the same price as last year, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which price measures an increase, but users will get a bump up to 256 gigs. And they can start pre-ordering these as early as September 22nd. The camera did end up getting an upgrade. We'll be able to shoot 48 megapixels HEIF. I don't even know what that acronym stands for, which is a super high resolution. It looks like the USB-C will also be on this current iPhone, so that's definitely good. So the iPhone 15 Pro will come in 3 colors. It will have the A17 Pro chip, which includes, quote, breakthrough GPU, seemingly like a very strong chip. And so overall, nothing really too crazy. We saw the new Apple Watch. We also saw the collaboration with Nike, iPhone 15 colors, all this other crap stuff that I really don't care about. But the stock definitely pulled back a little bit here and holding it around 174.80. I've been doing this for a very long time. I've seen 9 iPhone releases as far as it comes to the day of the stock. Every single year, everyone expects the stock to move significantly on these types of days, and it never really does. But you have to understand that this is already baked in and priced in. Everything that they're doing right now, as far as the iPhone, as far as the watch, as far as whatever is going on in their product line, is already baked into what most analysts expect. It's not like it's anything revolutionary. A revolutionary aspect could be something as far as AI, as far as Apple, whatever else that could be. Those are more revolutionary things, but a new iPhone with a better camera, a better chip, the USB-C, which should have had already for a very long time, widgets and islands, like these are things that are going to move the stock significantly. This isn't earnings or some major announcement or outlook. Like it's just something that we've already expected. The same thing goes for Tesla. The same thing goes for a lot of these big promotional days. And of course, it's not always going to be that way, but it's just the majority of the time. Now, looking at Apple, obviously since earnings, we pulled back and we bounced on 175.50. We've bounced off of this strong volume area right here. And you can see that if we're able to hold 180 and about 177, right where this volume level is, I do think that we could see this bounce and the move back to all-time highs. Now, we also have CPI coming out tomorrow. So inflation data for August will be out tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is definitely going to have a big role in what happens within the next couple of weeks, specifically with big tech. If CPI comes in low, we'll definitely see this move back up to 205 over the next couple of months. And I think we'll see SPY, QQQ, all of tech, the S&P 500 push up to all-time highs. If that's not the case, I think what we'll more likely see is the pullback down to this 200 SMA at about $164. So that's the two levels we're looking for: the break above 180 to move us to 205, or the break below 172 to move us down to the 160s, which both of these moves will not happen until inflation data comes out tomorrow. And if you want to stay up to date with inflation data as well as much more, use the link in the description to become part of our Discord community, which is completely free. Follow me on Twitter, which is also in the link. I drop a lot of my trades over there real time for you guys, since it's a much easier platform than YouTube to get my trades out. And if you want access to all of my trades completely for free your first month, you can use the link in the description. The goal is to make sure that it provides value to you, to prove our worth to you, that we're not just YouTube gurus, and most of all for you to make profits, to pay for your membership for free for years to come. Thank you guys for all of your support. The links will be in the description, and I'll see you tomorrow.